Working on a lawnmower, a Honda engine. The problem with this is a very old mower. For some reason, I have a hard time starting it. And when I took it down, found out the auto choke. Because normally when the engine is cold, the choke should be close like this. And when I opened it up, it's stuck in open in a cold engine. So I was wondering whether the um, this thing is broken. It's like a thermostat regulated choke system. But what I did was, it seems like since it's a very old motor, the spring is fatigued, so it's not pushing it close at the start. So what I did is I just increase its tension by shortening the, you see here, if I can focus, yeah, shortening the tension, the spring, cutting it a bit, and tightening the wound with it. All right, bye.